Once your pancake has been cooked thoroughly on one side, you can tell because it'll be nice and brown along the edges, it's time to flip it. Now you want to be very careful to not splash the oil when you're flipping it. So I like to go along kind of the edge of the pan a bit. That is splattering and it is hot. So kind of like you would a regular pancake or anything else you're frying. Because it can fall apart easily, you can't use a pair of tongs to flip it, which would kind of be nice. But you want to wait until the edges are brown. Because of the shredding of the potatoes, you have lots of little bits on the edges, so it's pretty easy to tell when it's time to flip it. You don't want it to get too cooked or burnt. Also, you want to be careful because if any burnt pieces are floating around in the oil, then it's going to have a whole burnt aroma, which will be quite lovely while you're trying to cook everything. So try and get the little pieces out when you're taking the pancakes out as well. And try really hard not to break off little pieces when you're flipping it or putting it in. Let's just slide that back in there, nice and gently. And our first batch is almost done.